Ngemuva kwamahora ayisishiyagalombili okujijelana ngamazwi, ukuphazamiseka kanye nokuchitha isikhathi,
Zuma, the thief, the criminal.
ube yile statement esenza ukuthi kusuke ukuthulwa izichwe ePhalamende.
The president of the ANC is the greatest thief in the world.
Honorable member.
I'm not going to withdraw.
Sergeant at Arms,
He is the greatest thief in the
can
world.
we assist the member to get out of the house, please?
Ngemuva kokwenqaba ukuphuma kwalelilungu le-EFF, imfanekiso yasePhalamende inqanyuliwe ngenkathi amaphoyisa engena ngaphakathi. Okuyikhona okuzwakalayo, ukuhabalasa kwamalungu ePhalamende. Ingabe lokhu ukucindezelwa kwelungelo lokubukela okwenzeke ePhalamende? Usomlomo wePhalamende uthi akunjalo.
We are looking at ensuring that we protect the image and the dignity of Parliament. That's all we're preoccupied with. We're protecting our right to proceed with the work that we're doing, that we've come or have been sent to come and do here.
Kodwa-ke, ukubambana ngeyihluthu uqoshwe kumakhalekhukhwini. Amalungu ePhalamende ambalwa atholwe imhuzuko kanti sekuvulelwe amaphoyisa icala lokushaya.
They were kind of bashing our heads into benches, started really pushing us hard, throwing us around. And it was really just a response to saying that, there's absolutely no reason ever why the National Police Force should be on the floor of the Assembly.
The ANC lost the debate yesterday. And because of that, they responded with violence yesterday. Many observers are left wondering what in fact will happen should the ANC begin to lose elections.
We are seeking a declaration by court to declare police entrance into the chambers, especially in the presence of the Macy, as an illegal act.
Usomlomo uthi iPhalamende belingasenakho belingakwenza ngemuva kwezinyanga eziyisihlanu zokungayiphathi kahle kwamalungu amaqembu aphikisayo.